Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error code C-0010, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Minecraft easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your start menu and you're going to write here view network connections. Now you're going to click onto your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. You're going to right click on your network connection, go into properties. You're going to scroll down on here and make sure you untick Internet Protocol version 6. So just untick it. After that, click OK here. And then you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare WAP here. You're going to go onto this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to download latest stable release here and then click start download and install Cloudflare WAP on your computer. Once it's done installing, you're going to open it up and then click onto Cloudflare WAP here. Click onto this settings icon. Make sure to click 1.1.1.1 with warp and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and try to play Minecraft and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.